Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add payment method cash on delivery in Odoo website. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up our web browser and go to odoo.com. Now from here we want to click on the left hand side, click on editor, and then click onto the left hand side here and then click into apps. Now we're inside apps, so from here we need to click out of the apps there, make sure there's nothing in the search, otherwise it won't show. Then from here, make sure all selected, type in cash on delivery and simply press enter. And here it is here, cash on delivery provides cash on delivery for website users. If you want to read more about it, click onto module info like so. So basically this module allows e-commerce users to book an order with the ShipRocket using cash on delivery feature. So now we want to click onto install. And because I'm using the 15-day free trial, it's going to say for me you can test this feature during a 15-day period. After this period, your database will be locked unless you buy an Odoo subscription. So you need to have an Odoo subscription for longer than for 15 days or more if you want to continue using it. Click on confirm, and then on the bottom right it's going to say loading or checking here. And then after a few moments, once it installs, you can start using it and customizing it to your needs.